Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Ajay Sharma. So today we are going to discuss a very important case law in the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So the name of the case law is Perumal versus Ponnuswami, and this is a landmark case AIR 1971. So let's discuss about that. If you are new on this channel, so hit the like and subscribe button. So let's continue. Perumal versus Ponnuswami. The case of Perumal versus Ponnuswami is a landmark Indian Supreme Court decision concerning the validity of the marriage between a Hindu man and a Christian woman who converted to the Hinduism. So let's the fact of this case are the Perumal and Annapazam, a woman of a Christian faith. She belongs to the Christian religion. The Perumal, who was a Hindu, and a woman named Annapazam, who was a Christian. They fell in love and got married later. Then they have a son named Ponnuswami. Years later, Ponnuswami wanted a share of his father's family property, but Perumal didn't want to give it. So he went to the court and said, "My marriage to Annapazam, that the Christian girl, was never real," said by Perumal. And he gave two main reasons. His first reason was that Annapazam was Christian and didn't have a proper ceremony to become a Hindu. His second reason was that he was already married to another woman. He claimed his marriage to Annapazam was a bigamous marriage which was illegal, according to the Hindu Marriage Act, Section 5, Clause 1. So this case went all the way to the top court of our country, the Supreme Court of India. Everyone wanted to know that what would happen, and the court's decision was a big surprise for many people. The court said that Perumal is wrong. The court ruled that the marriage was 100% valid. The son Ponnuswami was legitimate and had a right to his father's property. But why did the court decide that? The Supreme Court of India said that for a person to change their religion, they don't need a huge fancy ceremony. They said what the most important is the person honest intention and their actions. And Annapazam, that Christian girls lived like a Hindu and was accepted by the local Hindu community. This was enough for the court, and your heart and actions are more important than an official ceremony. That's said by the court in the case of Perumal and Annapazam. It's a wife of Perumal, but the son of Perumal and Annapazam was Ponnuswami. It's a legitimate child according to the Supreme Court of India decisions. Let's read out the held of this case. The Supreme Court of India upheld the lower court decisions, ruling that the marriage was valid and the son was legitimate. The court found that Annapazam had a bona fide intention to convert the Hinduism, which was demonstrated by her conduct, and the fact that she was accepted by the local Hindu community. The court held that no formal or specified expiatory ceremonies were necessary for a valid conversion to the Hinduism. The court also dismissed the bigamy claim, finding that the specific law cited by Perumal did not apply to him, as his domicile in the state of Madras was not proven. So this case was very important because it is a set clear a rule for all of India. It's taught us that the law cares about what's the real and true, not just old rules and rituals. Today, whenever people talks about the converting to Hinduism and getting the married, they always remember the Perumal versus Ponnuswami case. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing case. If you like this video, please giving it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which case you want to talk about more. I'll take you easier than the best way. Okay guys, bye bye, see you in the next video. Wish you all the best, keep watching, bye bye.